Hello students, another very important and conceptual question from past papers on the topic of vectors, on the topic of vectors, on the topic of vectors, because now we are doing the topic vectors series 2. Yes, the second series. Um, and now the questions are very conceptual and technical, so you have to be careful and you have to concentrate on every steps. Yes. Now let's start solve this question. The question says such types of question keep repeating every year in every paper, so be careful. The question says it is given that vector p is given in column form at -10 and vector q given in column form n15. If the vectors p and q are parallel, if they are parallel to each other, find the value of n. So we have to find the value of n. I will solve this in simple steps so that um, it become easier for you to understand. So let's start. The key concept here is p and q are parallel. So by by taking this point under our consideration, we start solving the this question. So since p and q are parallel, so let's say uh, let's say here that vector q is equal to t times vector p. So vector q is given in column form n15. N15 is equal to t times 8 minus 10. And students, here the very important point to consider is that if two vectors are parallel to each other, then one is the scalar multiple of the other. So q is the scalar multiple of p. Yes. uh, for that we write q is equal to t times p, some scalar t. You can write q is equal to k times p, m times p. Yes. Here we write q is equal to t times p. Yes, now we compare. Now we compare compare elements, compare the elements. uh, yes. So n is equal to 8 times t. This is equation 1. and 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 15 is equal to minus t times 10. Let's solve this one to find out the value of t. Here minus t times 10 is equal to 15. Dividing both side by minus 10. minus 10 minus 10 15 divided by minus 10. So these cancel out. So t is equal to yes, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, minus 3 upon 2. So let's put this in equation 1. Put this one. Yes. This one, this value of t in equation 1 over here, this equation. Yes. So this equation was n is equal to 8 times t, 8 times t. So 8 8 times multiplied by t, the value of t over here is 3 divided by minus 2 is equal to n. 2 fours are 8 and 4 threes are 12. Minus 12 is equal to n. So students, the value of n is equal to minus 12. Yes, this is a very important question over here. So yes, these steps are very easy. I have solved this question in easy steps. So in sequential order, you can pause the video and you can write all these steps in sequential order so that it becomes easier for you to understand. uh, Share with others also to support me, and also write your questions in the comments section. Read your comments and I will try to answer your question, try to clear your concepts.